This flower had a different center on it, but I wanted to change the center, so I just cut the old center off. All I'm going to do is run the zip tie through one of the spokes and come through another set of the spokes straight across from each other. And I will start to zip that. Now, I'm not going to zip it all the way yet because I need it loose until I get the center on. You'll need a couple floral pins, those shorter, and another zip tie. Trying to find the center of this because I want to make sure I get it on the flower even. Glue, and then stick that back through there. I don't want to push it down all the way because I have to run the zip tie through it. And I use 2 of these for extra security. Now after that glue hardens, I will add the zip tie. I have the zip tie through the floral pins. Get a hold of that zip tie. I didn't close this one because I need to run this one through the one I already have on the frame. Now this one on the center, I'm going to tighten all the way. I'm going to tighten it first because I need to be able to lift it off of the flower so I can get under here and clip this off. Now I will flip this over and tighten it on the back. You don't have to tighten it all the way. Here is the flower with the new center.